Last up, we're going to go over the organ part. The organ part is super easy. The organ is doing the same chord changes the piano is doing, but even simpler. He's just padding. The organist on the session was a legendary organist named Joe Flip Wilson. Look him up. He did everything. He worked with Michael Jackson, worked with Lauryn Hill, worked with Walter Hawkins, all kinds of gospel, pop, and R&B. Just a legend doing the simplest part. All he was doing was the same chords that Eddie was doing, but he wasn't moving. That's it through the whole session. And he dropped out through the verse and came back in the second pass. All he did through the whole session. When we went from G to A flat, he did the only thing that was out of pocket. He did a little run, and I think we left it in because it was really cool. But other than that, he had absolutely simple part, just padding the whole way through, just filling it up, making it warm, not busy, not choppy, just smooth, with a smooth drawbar setting. I don't know exactly what he was using. Right now I've got like 8-5, 8-5, 7, which is like my standard smooth setting. You can take out that top drawbar if you want. That's the whole song. It's a simple song. If you don't have a bass player, try to play the smooth chords and the bass line at the same time. That's what I'll probably end up doing if we do it at my church, because we don't have a bass player. Just but realistically, if you have a full band, everybody has a very simple part. Nobody's playing on top of each other. The guitar, the bass, and the drums are doing rhythmic, choppy stuff. The piano and the organ are doing smooth stuff. Nobody's outside of their part, and it's the same every time. Nobody's doing a bunch of stuff. It's supposed to sound like a loop. It's supposed to sound like a sample. And it's supposed to feel good. And I was, again, I did some behind the scenes A&R for the record, and that was my vote for the single, because I think it's the best song on the record, and I don't think there's anything else like it on the radio right now. So I hope this has helped somebody. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. There'll be some extra stuff on Patreon. And thanks for watching. Here's Brent.